Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Dreams Garage. Today, it's not going to be anything crazy. We're going to fix the rear hatch opener on my wife's car. The button's completely broke out, and there's no instructions or anything to fix it anywhere online, so figured perfect chance to show you guys how to do something new. So, first thing we're going to do, we're going to pull this panel off here, and it's just an electric touch sensor, so once we get this off, we'll get back with you and show you guys what's going on. Well guys, we got the panel off here. As you can see, there's about 10 clips that hold it in. Trusty little interior toolkit here. Makes it nice for removing any type of panels that you get. This kit was like 10 bucks online. Nothing super serious. So you can get any tool you need really down at O'Reilly's. They make what you need, AutoZone, Advanced, whichever your poison is. So now we're gonna look into this and figure out how to pull that little button out of there. Guys, looks like there's 3 bolts and a push plug on the back of this. And then I already unplugged the electrical connector, so we're gonna remove those 3 nuts and then pull this whole panel out. Should be ready to go. Alright guys, so we got these 2 body clips out. Here's where our 3 nuts are being held in, and here's the bad switch. So that's what we're changing. So here's the pieces of our old release. I just dropped that one. So it really should have worked. The problem was it was just dangling around up inside there, and there's no point in having a nice new car and a shitty release. So now we got a nice new one. We'll slide her all back together and make sure she works, and if she does, we'll start bolting it back. Well guys, we're getting her put back together. Apparently they sent the wrong part. Go figure. Ordering from the internet, you never get what you truly need. We had to make a bracket to mount it because the button itself was actually a little bit smaller than what came out of the car, but it'll last. We can open up the back hatch now, so.
And it works.
I'm happy with it. Hopefully the wife is.